In this video, we'll show you what products are included in the Essential Kit and how to use them. Our naturally derived formula is new and improved. It gently yet effectively cleans, while its natural conditioning properties help to extend the life of the material. The Essential Kit includes a 4-ounce bottle of our signature premium deep cleaning solution. Also included in the Essential Kit is our standard brush. The brush features a handcrafted wood handle and stiff bristles. This brush is ideal for cleaning durable materials such as leather and rubber. Please note, when cleaning delicate materials such as premium leather, suede, nubuck, cotton, canvas, and knit, we highly recommend using our premium brush. The softer hog bristles are better suited for use on delicate surfaces. Before you begin cleaning, you will need a bowl of clean water and a couple of microfiber towels. First, dip the bristles of the brush into the water. Next, apply a liberal amount of solution to the bristles and start scrubbing. Wipe clean and repeat as necessary.